Join us as we take you along on our greenhouse build here in Montana. We had our builder from Stevensville, Joe Mast of Mast Builders, drop off material along with a crew of guys to help us put posts in the ground, frame up the roof, and put roofing material on. Around here, it's always a family affair, and we usually try and get our 3 daughters to come along for the process and watch how we build and develop our property here in Corvallis. So for this project, we're building a 32 by 22 greenhouse so that we can enjoy produce longer since our growing season is so short here in Montana. So now we've got posts in the ground and we're getting ready to prep for trenching so we can bring the water line and electrical to the building. So we have a lot of land where we are, but it's also very sloped. So what we ended up having to do was put in some retaining walls and bring in a bunch of fill to backfill that so we wouldn't have to have this huge sloping like we did for our house in the background here. So here my husband and I are finishing the retaining walls, capping it so that we can start with the framing and put up the first strips for the rest of the building. We also put material on the pressure treated wood to help prolong the material's life when it comes in contact with the fill that we put inside the greenhouse itself. I don't know about you guys, but my husband and I have been together almost 18 years, and building definitely tests the waters when it comes to how solid your foundation is for your relationship, because definitely not for the faint of heart, especially when men and women, and in our case, we think and describe things completely differently. So stay tuned to this channel, subscribe and like to stay informed with part 2 of the build of the greenhouse, where we'll show you how we're doing the first strips, putting in big doors, and showing you what the overall finished product will look like. Hope you enjoy. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next video.